Hello, people from YouTube. It is I, JD Transformations, back again, but this time I'm doing something different. Usually I just do like review videos. No. We're doing an unboxing. Forgot how massive this guy was. We are doing an unboxing. Studio Series 86 Optimus Prime. Let's go. He just arrived in the mail, so excited. Let's get to it. You all know, tape on the side. Why not? For reasons I need to be said, and the tool I'm using to cut open this tape, I cannot be permitted to show. There we go. You'll learn soon why in the future, kids. Here. Basic displayage. Get out of the way. We can get this stuff out of the way for now. Actually, before I show off the figure, I guess I could show off the display stand. You know, see it. Prime. Oh, you're beautiful. Alright, here's just his display case. Show it more later. But now, to the real star of the show. Optimus the freaking Prime. I'm not talking about him out. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some scissors. We're back and I got scissors. In a way. This guy's wounds shouldn't be fatal. But, oh, is he beautiful. What are you doing? I have a smoke sex cut tape on him. Okay, we gotta cut those off. Be careful I don't scratch him at all. There we go. Angle of smoke sex upright. Boom, there he is. Now he is beautiful in his glory. Wait, hold on. I gotta see. Is it in here or is it in there? Alright. Time for the moment of truth. How do you open up? How does this open up? Come on. Work with me, man. There we go. And. Okay, that is just beautiful. And you can even see some. I mean, they could have probably done like some gray paint in there. This looks nice. Oh, but it's beautiful. Right out of the box as well. Right. You know what I gotta do. You know what I gotta do. You all know what I have to have him do. Come on. All right, no, these three are all together. Come on. I'll just figure. Oh. Picking at the wrong area. Come on. Yes, there we go. Autobots transform and roll out. I had to, alright? I had to. First, like, oh, no, you didn't have to. You wanted to. Correct. I still think I had to. Alright. Now, next to get out is going to be the Ion Blaster. In my opinion, I expected it to be black. No, they did it in like this beautiful, beautiful gunmetal gray. That's nice. Nicely done detail. Got some silver going on back there. What is going on with my nail? It's beautiful, beautiful done. Nice gunmetal gray. All around, beautiful blaster. And of course, he can hold on to his blaster. So he can bam, bam, boom, 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 bam. I'm sorry, I'm just very excited. So yeah, what should I get out next for you guys? I think I can get out more of his like accessory stuff. We'll save the trailer and roller and that stuff for last. Come on, come on. Come on, orange, coming up. Oh, it is taped in. Oh wow, that's fun. Means I need this part. There we go. And may or may not be something. But anyway, right, now we'll open it. Yeah, there we go. For those who can't see, I'm currently struggling to get this thing out. There we go. Alright, here we go. We got it out now. Of course, we got some blast effects, which I will now be using. Let's get this one open. Alright. Obviously, here, let me angle this a bit more so you can see it. Forget about the tripod leg, alright? Shush. Doing what I can. The materials I've been given. Just does not want to stand up, but oh well. Here we have the beautiful, beautiful axe done in a nice rubbery orange plastic. Same with the blast effects. This one's a bit bent. This one's good enough, but oh, it's heated up and expanded myself. As we all know, you all know. Doesn't matter which side you put in. Does it matter? I don't think it matters. I think it does actually matter. Wow. That's cool. Which one does this go into? So that one goes in there, so that means this one goes in here. Now, in the movie, you can launch them up. I'll give him the axe later. I don't really know how to do that yet. Alright. Now you all know what it's time for me to grab. My phone falling. Try to make sure my phone isn't falling. Got a new tripod that I'm using, so I work with that. Now we got his, which I'd say suits him better, his trailer. Welcome to Optimus Prime, home to Optimus Prime. Sorry, if you all understand that reference, lovely. Will I be doing comparisons this video? Probably, I don't know. I'm just very excited, YouTube. Well, this is just... I know I'm not doing as good as my other videos, but like, I can't believe I finally caught him. I've been wanting this... To be honest, I thought they were just going to do another one of the Earthrise Primes and use him. We now got everything out of the packaging. So you know what that means. We throw it. Of course, I don't show me throwing because my room's a mess. Also, yes, I relocated to my room because I did some decoration. Alright, now center it here. That's my ability. Try to make sure nothing falls. Stop. And whatever. Let's do that maybe. That might work. Oh, it's beautiful. My beautiful boy. Oh no, he is a really nice looking figure. I love how he looks. Why are you unstable? Why are you not sitting up straight. What's going on, bud? What's going on? You good? You good, buddy? You good? Chill. Like, you all see this, right? He's lopsided. Could be... Yeah, I think it's that. No, he's still lopsided. My copy's just a bit lopsided is all. Whatever. Let's pull him in close, not at that chest, but at that noggin. Looking nice done. Nice, vibrant blue for the eyes. Good blue for the helmet. I like the silver they did for the... Well, actually, that's more of a gray. I can't really tell, I'm looking through the camera at this. Really lovely done. As you all know, you can pose these. My copy, though, is a bit more strict. Is this some plug or something? Because, like, it does not... It is... Ah, there's where it plugs in. There's where it plugs in. Alright, yeah, there you go. It's beautiful. Of course, as you all know, he comes with accessories. And so now I'm going to give him... I'm going to load him up with his weapon. Time for the first weapon. The one we only saw for a single episode, I'm pretty sure. The Energon Axe. Fun enough, it's my only animated style Energon Axe. But still is lovely. I can cut, hack, slash Decepticons all over the place. Honestly, you need that Prime Blaster. And you know what you can give him? You give him the... And I can bam, bam, bam. Autobots, roll out and attack! Ah! Yeah, actually nice overall on this guy. I'm getting sidetracked. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be doing a review. I'm just going off having my own fun. Trailer can open. Shocker. Now these parts are new to me, so I don't know how these work. I just swing it out. I do swing it out and then I rotate it. That is neat. Mine are a bit stiff though. That's okay. Line it up. All in all, nice gunmetal gray all over. Could these inner panels have more detail? Yes. Do I expect them to? No. Then you got the repair dock guy. Wow, he is... If this isn't lovely, then I don't know what is. Good news is, this time though, he doesn't look like an eyes and mouth like we got with, what was it again? Let me think. Oh yeah, Earthrise Optimus. There we go, you guys. Claw. And of course, got the little radio dish. Granted though, you can't have him swivel. Oh wait, never mind. Yes you can. And of course, roller. Does he have a place to park? Yeah, he does. Park, right? And here, right there. Because it has 2 tabs on this guy and 2 slots in the bottom of this guy to plug into. Time to show you the true meaning, power of the Prime. I'm just very excited I finally got him, guys. Very excited. It's a lovely figure. He truly is a lovely figure. Fly. Now then. This was just unboxing. I'm also going to do a bit of a review. first, let me get his hand back to normal. Still gotta get used to using this tripod. My other one went missing, so I had to get a new one. Alright. Let's start with articulation. The head, I'm pretty sure it's on a ball joint. I'm just gonna assume it is. You can look up a slight bit, not too much crazy. Look down a tiny bit. Head, you can do a full 360 like I showed you. Antennas are, well, you saw. Arms can do a full 360. Don't go right behind it. I swear, this smokestack will not stay in. Whatever. You got 90 degrees there at the bend of the elbow, which is nice. And it can bend backwards 90 degrees for transformation. Hands, you can get a good swivel on. Pretty sure they're also on a ball joint, but I can't really access that ball joint because, well, yeah. Fingers are articulated. Pointer finger is by itself. It has a hinge at the base and then another one at the tip. Same with these three. So you can get good posability out of the hands. You got your waist swivel, which is nice. This is a nice gray right here. Looking for more of a gunmetal, but it matches with his face. And of course, beautiful color scheme. Move the panels out of the way so you can get his legs to go up that far. So, pretty decent height. Will be able to stand on his own fit? No. Granted, he has a port for a flight stand. Luckily, I have those. You can go back all the way up that far. So you can do more of a back kick than a front kick. For your knee, you get well over 90 degrees there. That's beautiful. And this can somewhat bend forward for the pose from the movie. The feet, you get up and down at the toe, and you get your ankle tiltage. Granted, it pegs in though, so yeah. But you get a good amount of ankle tiltage. So yeah, that's pretty much. Oh wait, comparisons. I ordered comparisons. Gotta get them far back so you can get all in the frame. I can also move my camera up a bit though, whatever. Also, toesies are painted a bit, which is nice. First, we have one of his friends who passed away in that movie. We got Ironhide. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring them all in. I'm just gonna bring them all in. Gonna bring them all in. Do a family group shot. Put them all in together. For every single 86 Autobot I own. Currently. See how well they match up together. Hey look, it's a kid who got him killed. Ain't that funny? And finally, the little tiny boy. We get the little tiny bee. I have a video of none of these guys. Except for Prime. I'm gonna keep it that way. But yeah. Alright. I'm not gonna do a review. I'm only doing the unboxing. So here we have 86 Optimus, and I love him. I really, really love him. Beautiful figure. Nice particles and effects. I'm gonna mess around with him a bit. See if I like him. I very much will, and compared to my Earthrise Optimus, Earthrise is now pretty much a piece of shit to me. Pretty much a piece of crap. The trailer is tiny for Earthrise and all that. I mean, the Optimus is a good figure, more clean. He does have less of a backpack than 86, but he's not 86 Prime. Alright, that's all I have to say for this video. So, like, subscribe, comment, I don't really know. Just help me grow. And this is JD Transformations out. Autobots, roll out!